Let's do a quick demonstration of how to repair some geometry in Paraview. So I've got a geometry here, and let's just get rid of that. Yeah, it's got various. The geometry is quite nice, but it's got various bits in it that need fixing for an aerodynamics analysis. So I've got some holes there, and some other bits that need fixing. There's basically the undercarriage bays. There's some holes there and some holes there. I've tried fixing them a few times just by stitching the surface together in NetFab, but it hasn't quite worked for some reason. I think because there's some very small grooves running around the edge of the geometry, perhaps. But I decided to do it in Paraview, and I thought of this method of clipping the geometry. So if you go to clip, and then you can select, instead of plane, you can select either box, sphere, or scalar. So I've got one here that I've already set up. So I've created a sphere, so I'm clipping by sphere. And if you just go to side view, you can see the sphere is positioned there over the cockpit window. And so I've selected the geometry that I want to fix. Just want to cover the windows in there. And so having selected that, then I can just perform 3D Delauney on that. And then that just fills in that mesh straight away. As long as the surface is not concave, then it should be okay. So having done that, I'm literally going to merge that with the existing geometry and append it. And then I've got a geometry that can be used. And I might sort of remesh that using Mesh Mixer or something like that. But that's how you can quickly fix some geometry in Paraview.